Hi, is this seat free? My flight is delayed and this area is less noisy than the gate. I just want a calm place to sit for a while.
Yes, of course. Please sit here. My flight is delayed too, so I understand the feeling. Airports can be busy, but sometimes they are good places for small conversations.
Thank you. I am Sophia, by the way. I do not usually talk to strangers, but today feels different. Maybe because I have a lot on my mind.
Nice to meet you, Sophia. I am Alex. That happens sometimes. A long wait gives people time to think and sometimes to talk more openly.
Yes, that is true. I am thinking a lot about money these days. I am still young, but I already feel pressure to be successful very fast.
Many people feel that pressure, even when they do not say it. Social media makes it look like everyone is rich and successful at 25. Real life is usually much slower than that.
Exactly. I see people online with nice cars, big homes, and luxury trips. Sometimes I ask myself if money is the main sign of success.
Money is important, but I do not think it is the only sign. Money can give comfort, safety, and choices. But success to me also means peace of mind and a life you respect.
I like that idea. I work hard, but sometimes I feel afraid that I am behind other people. I am 21 and I still do not know if I am going in the right direction.
You are only 21, Sophia. That is the age to learn, make mistakes, and grow slowly. You do not need to have everything figured out right now.
That sounds kind, but it is hard to believe sometimes. My friends talk about big goals all the time. More money, better jobs, famous careers. It makes me worry about my future.
Goals are good, but they should be your goals, not someone else's. If you chase a dream that does not fit you, even success will feel empty. A good future starts with knowing what matters to you.
So what matters to you? You seem calm and confident, like someone who understands life well. Did you always think this way about money and success?
No, not at all. When I was younger, I thought success meant earning more than everyone around me. I worked too much, slept too little, and believed that a bigger salary would solve everything.
And did it solve everything? Did you feel happy when you earned more? I really want to know, because many people say money changes your whole life.
It changed some things, yes. I could travel more, help my family, and stop worrying about small bills. But inside, I still felt tired and sometimes lonely because I gave all my time to work.
That is interesting. So money made life easier, but not fully better. I think many young people do not hear that part often enough.
That is true. People love to show the reward, but they rarely show the cost. Some people become rich, yet they lose health, close relationships, or simple joy on the way.
I do not want that kind of life. I want to earn well, but I also want time for family, friends, and myself. I want success, but I do not want to feel empty.
That is a smart way to think. Real success is balance. Not too little money, but not a life controlled by money either. It is good to build wealth, but it is also good to protect your heart and time.
Sometimes I wonder how to start building wealth in a healthy way. My income is not very high now, but I want to make good choices early. Do simple habits really matter?
Yes, simple habits matter a lot. Spend less than you earn, save a little every month, and learn before you invest. Small, smart actions, repeated for years, can change your life.
That sounds simple, but also powerful. I think many people wait for a big chance, but maybe success begins with small daily steps. I like that idea because it feels possible.
It is very possible. Many people fail because they want fast results and easy money. Slow progress may look boring, but it is often the most honest and stable road.
Have you ever failed badly? I mean, with work or money. Sometimes I feel ashamed when I make mistakes, even small ones.
Yes, I have failed more than once. I trusted the wrong business partner in my early 30s and I lost a lot of money. It hurt my pride, but it taught me to be careful and patient.
That must have been very hard. Did you feel like giving up after that? I think one big failure can make people afraid to try again.
I did feel that way for a while. I was angry at myself, and I felt foolish. But later, I understood that failure is not the end. It is often a hard teacher.
I want to remember that. A hard teacher is still a teacher. Maybe mistakes are not proof that we are weak, but proof that we are learning.
Exactly. The important thing is to learn the lesson and move forward. Successful people are not people who never fail. They are people who keep going with more wisdom.
I think I needed to hear that today. My flight delay was annoying at first, but now I feel lucky. This conversation is giving me a lot to think about.
I feel the same, actually. Sometimes the best moments arrive without a plan. A delayed flight can become a useful meeting when two people speak honestly.
Can I ask one more thing? How do you define success now, at this point in your life? I want to hear your answer in a simple way.
Success now means living with purpose and sleeping with a quiet mind. It means I can pay my bills, help the people I love, and still have time to enjoy life. It also means being proud of how I earned my money.
That last part is very important. Being proud of how I earn money. I really like that. I do not want success that comes from lies, stress, or losing myself.
Then you already understand something many people learn too late. Clean success may take longer, but it feels better and lasts longer. It gives you confidence that no one can take away.
I think my definition of success is becoming clearer now. I want enough money to live well and feel safe. But I also want kindness, freedom, and people I trust around me.
That is a beautiful definition. When your values are clear, your choices become easier. You stop chasing every shiny thing, and you start building a life that truly fits you.
You know, before talking to you, I thought successful people must always look powerful and certain. Now I think true success can also look calm, patient, and grounded. That feels more real to me.
I am glad you see it that way. Strength is not always loud. Sometimes strength is quiet discipline, honest work, and the courage to keep your values in a noisy world.
That is such a good line. I may write it in my notes before I board the plane. This airport wait is becoming one of the most useful parts of my trip.
Then I am happy our flights were delayed. Life can be strange in a good way. We plan one thing, and then something unexpected gives us a better moment.
Oh, I think they just announced boarding for my flight. Time goes fast when a conversation is meaningful. I am really glad I said hello first.
And I am really glad you did. It was a pleasure talking with you, Sophia. I think you have a strong future because you are already asking the right questions.
Thank you, Alex. I will remember what you said about balance, patience, and honest success. I hope your trip goes well, and I hope life brings you many peaceful victories.
Thank you, Sophia. I hope your journey is safe and your future is bright. Keep learning, keep growing, and do not rush. Success will come in your own time.